Hello, guys. You are welcome back. It's been a while, guys. I am here for a quick announcement. Yes, I just want to announce this to you because this is very important information that my people on this platform has to know about. Last year, December or before December, I was finding it difficult to sell my product. I was not making the enough sales that I used to, so I started looking for ways that I can learn something new to apply to my business. And God, I have come across this e-learning platform that has changed the game for me. Not only me, other business partners. These are the results of the people on your screen. Just look at how much people are making on a daily basis. 900, 600, 300. There's just a lot of money out there. What they do in this academy is that they are teaching you the tips and the resources that you can use to make the money online. So if you want to start a business or you are already in business, this e-learning platform is the place for you. Guys, this money, I never knew that I can make money from my phone just online. I never knew I can use my phone to make this amount of money. The course is teaching you how to build your own online store, how to go about your business, how to start up your business, all the documents you need. If you want the LLC, if you want the sole proprietor, the course is going to teach you. They are going to teach you how you can make sales. Okay, you're going to master the selling, and that's where I am able to sell my product right now. They are teaching you how you can market on the internet. Maybe if you want to create content or you want to make money from content creation, guys, you don't want to miss this. Do you want affiliate marketing? Do you want to go into drop shipping? Do you want Amazon, Etsy? All the means that you can use to make money online, it's on this e-learning platform, and they are teaching you with videos and also PDFs. Now, this is where the money is really coming from, and it's turning people to millionaires. You have the resale rights to resell it. We have the MRR and the PLR. That means that when you get into the academy, of course, you have to purchase it. You have to enroll by you paying something, which is going to be under this video in the comment section or in the description box. Just click on that and you can see amount. I am making sales today. Why? Because when I joined, I have been given the right to resell it. So when you join, you are also having the resell right to sell it. And listen. When you sell it, you are getting 100% profit. You don't have to share this with the creator. This is all yours. All you have to do is to find people who are ready to have this knowledge that is actually giving you a resource, is actually changing lives. Because when I joined this academy, I've been able to learn a lot of techniques. I've been able to learn a lot of tips and also a lot of new jobs or startups, businesses that I want to start with. If you want to learn event planning, do you want to learn a food truck? Do you want to go into the health center? Do you want to go into beauty? Like, they have everything that you need to make money online. Don't actually get on the fence. Don't say, oh, this is a scam. No, it's not a scam. As I show you all these results, I'm showing you they are real people in real life, and they are making, and I'm one of those people who are making this money. I have a sale right now. So if you want, this is the time to join so you can make the money, because this thing is just coming. People are not into it yet. So if you get on it will help you to get the people who you can also bring to the academy, who can also learn and also start making money. That's the most important thing. I want you to make money. We are all here to make money. So if there is an information out there that can make my people make the money, why not? Go and click on the link. Even when you go to my stand store, you will see a little bit more description about the platform. Okay, so it's not like it is me who is saying it. You will get more. Don't get me wrong. You will get more than what is even in the description or what I'm even saying here. It's just that there is a lot. I cannot say all here. So guys, let's get on and let's start making money. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.